Tensions from the Israel-Hamas war have spilled into the Red Sea. But while global leaders are focusing intently on everything happening in the waters of the Red Sea and to the north of it, they'll also need to monitor geopolitical developments to the south on the Horn of Africa. The security interests of many countries, particularly the United States, are at stake as tensions flare between the United States and Yemen-based Houthi rebels in the Red Sea. Washington may be looking for ways to expand its military presence in the region beyond its significant presence based in Djibouti. Over the past 2 years, the United States has reportedly expressed interest in using Somaliland's Berbera port and airfield as a base for the purposes of countering Al-Shabaab. Though US visits to Berbera have been carefully coordinated with the Somalian government, this engagement could be interpreted as a major victory for Somaliland in bolstering its sovereignty. With Berbera and an eagerness for international engagement, Somaliland could potentially help the United States gain a footing to protect vital maritime routes and diversify its regional footprint away from the already crowded military hub of Djibouti. However, since Somaliland remains unrecognized, the United States would first need to get Somalia's approval. An arrangement that could be made easier by the cooperation outlined in the initial communique signed in Djibouti, although such easing could be jeopardized if tension around the Ethiopia-Somaliland MOU continues to increase. The agreements seem contradictory. One calls for cooperation between Somalia and Somaliland, to some undermining Somaliland's sovereignty, while the other outlines political and economic cooperation between Somaliland and Ethiopia, which to Somalia undermines its sovereignty. But the agreements are each rooted in promoting regional cooperation, negotiation, and partnership. In lending focus to this region, international actors must emphasize the strategic benefit that comes with cooperation. This must be the path forward, lest the world see more conflict in 2024. Thanks for watching. See you until next time, and please subscribe and share our new channel.